A family from Durango, dad and his kids, are in ICE detention in Texas after agents mistook him for someone else, but held on to him anyway, despite the family's pending asylum claim. ICE faces a lawsuit in Colorado alleging they're breaking the law by detaining people like that without warrants. Our Angela McCall has that.
A decision about who ICE can arrest and detain is now in the hands of a judge.
And so it's really important that ICE complies with the law. Our laws are harsh enough as they are.
Tim McDonald with the ACLU says it's against the law when ICE detains someone without a warrant, so-called warrantless arrests.
And we are seeing these are not the exceptions. This is what ICE is doing across the country. While their rhetoric claims they're going after what they call criminal.
Their lawsuit names 4 different plaintiffs, including a Utah student pulled over in Mesa County who was detained following a traffic stop, even a business owner in Colorado whose identity was mistaken for someone else.
It really shows the impunity with which ICE is willing to act.
In court, McDonald says ICE admitted that the same situation unfolded once again. ICE detained a father and 2 kids in Durango despite admitting to looking for someone else.
Yeah, that's right. ICE admitted in court that that was a mistake. And rather than release the family, 2 children, rather than release them, they spirited them out of the state and moved them to detention in Texas.
McDonald says cases like these are happening every day.
And before they seek to detain and arrest someone, they ought to make sure they have the right person.
ICE won't comment on pending or ongoing litigation. In court filings, though, ICE argues that Congress has authorized immigration officials to interrogate individuals and to conduct arrests with or without a warrant. Now it's in the hands of the judge to determine what is the definition of the law. No exact timeline for the judge's decision. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks, if not a little longer. We could expect to see continued appeals and ongoing litigation as well with this one, Kyle.
Angela, it doesn't seem like there's much incentive for these ICE agents to be super targeted in who they stop because they know that there are incentives just to do numbers and bring anybody in regardless of whether they're a suspected criminal.
And that's exactly what the lawsuit alleges, is that this is really all to do with quotas set by the Trump administration, and it doesn't really matter the circumstances. If someone doesn't have documentation or status, then, basically ICE says that's fair game to them.
All right, Angela McCall, thank you very much.